I was wondering if you could share some advice or insight on finding a niche that is both profitable and aligned with one's passion. When I was transitioning from 9 to 5 and exploring entrepreneurship, I found it challenging to pinpoint something I truly love while ensuring it is sustainable. How do you avoid falling into the same cycle but instead create something fulfilling? I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for your insightful question. Finding your passion can be challenging and time-consuming process, often requiring self-reflection and patience. This psychological journey can take several years, sometimes even longer. It is not uncommon for passion to evolve as one gains more life experience and maturity. So don't press yourself, just allow yourself to be in the process and focus on actively facilitating it. In my passion to profit approach, I shared a few good tips on how to start this process and how to progress in passion discovery. The link should pop up somewhere there right now. Tips are pretty generic, but thanks that can be used by anyone with reasonable good outcome. If you want to transform your passion to profit, obviously first you need to know is what you love, what your passion is. If you are unsure what you love, which is perfectly fine, consider starting with something you just like, as it can help you build skills and knowledge while providing financial support. Thanks to that, when you progress in your self-discovery and you will be able to define your passion, you will have everything in place. You will have all the competences to transform your passion to profit. When evaluating a potential business, startup or innovation idea, consider the following. Desirability, does it solve a real world problem? Feasibility, can you build it? Viability, can you make money from it? And here is your sweet spot. You really want to generate ideas within it. If you have your own questions about business design, innovation or entrepreneurship, ensure you subscribe to the channel, write the question in a comment and I will try to do my best to respond to it. Remember, you cannot predict the outcome without taking action. Experiments and real-world testing are essential for understanding whatever your idea can work. That is why the fourth step in my passion to profit approach is about dreaming big but starting small. Check it out, as I shared a really good way to explore reality there. To add the additional context to the method described there, the key thing is not to assume, not to dream around, not to try to be, overconfident because the idea seems to be good. The key point is to have evidence. What works, what not, and you want to get this evidence as quickly as possible. So when you select the idea which you think might be in the sweet spot that is your niche really. Ask yourself what needs to be true in order for the idea to work as you think it will work. We business designers call this process business hypothesizing. In passion to profit approach, I call business hypothesis a business questions. When you have a bunch of hypotheses, you need to focus on the most crucial ones and focus on validating them. From this point, nothing else matters. Marketing, phone calls, social media posts, doesn't matter. All that matters is to learn if the things need to be true for your idea to work are true. Now, some of you can ask, Witold, how? You can do it in different ways. You can interview people from your customer segment. You can run live experiments, for example, sales trials. You can observe your customer target in real settings in order to get insight. It is just a few examples, but they all can produce evidence. Of course, different quality evidence, but it can produce evidence if your idea works or not. If it works, cool, you just de-risk the idea and you can move forward. If not, you can learn from your findings and refine your initial idea if needed. Remember, you cannot see around corners. You need to go there to check what is going on. It works exactly the same in the business design. When you execute experiments, you have no idea what will happen. You go there, out of your office, you do the stuff, you capture the results, you learn from it, and then decide if you can stick to your initial idea or not. This is my short answer to your question. I hope this explanation helps you in your journey to discover your passion and turn it into a profitable venture. Let me know if that makes sense for you.